Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off active online on Instagram. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end of this tutorial so you don't miss out on any important information. So now let's begin. So first, open up your Instagram app, click into your profile, should be your bottom right hand of your screen. Click on the three bars, top right hand corner of your screen, and then on this page here, click onto settings and privacy, and then scroll down until you see messages and story replies. So click into that, and then here it should say under who can see you online, click on show activity status, and then on my page it's all turned on. For me to turn it off, just toggle both of these off, which I've done like that. So yeah, that's how you turn off your active online status. So thanks for watching this to the very end of this tutorial. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot. Cheers. See you on the next one.